Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. The first one what we should do is check is you have the last software version. So open the SOUNDCORE application, then go to the settings at the right top. And right here we have update firmware, so tap on it, check for update and say that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one. It can fix your problem. Also, it can be a problem with your audio player. Let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or something else. You firstly check is you have the last version of this application. So go to the App Store or to Google Play and check it. And the last one what we can do is to perform a factory reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the back side of the charging case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until this LED light flashed 3 times rapidly. So I press and hold on it. Firstly it enters to panic mode. And now we had it. So you can release your finger, and firstly we need to click the information icon or settings icon. Forget device, forget device. If you have Android, click pair new device after that. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically. So now tap on it at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.